Hello. Today I am here for more doing my makeup after a long time away from you. And I'm doing a first for this show, which is my friend suggested to me. I said it's so hard for me to do my makeup without my glasses. And she said, why don't you just wear contacts? And I said, oh, I have some of those. So I put in some contacts just now, and honestly, I can't see very well. But I can see better than I could. So that's something. I'm not going to put foundation on, but I'm going to put on some of this Aveda moisturizer, because I noticed when I put my contacts on that my skin was dry, and that's never good. Don't want sky skin. So just put some on. This is my favorite moisturizer. My friend gave me a bottle of it because she used to work at Aveda, and so I think she got it for cheaper, and I liked it so much I went back and got it again. This is my second bottle of it, and it's gone now. I think this might be done. So, all right. So there's been some developments since I last made a makeup video. I've gotten these new palettes. They're very cool. You might remember, I think it was happening back when I was making videos before, that whenever I show my partner my makeup, he would say, "You look like a bird." And I thought that was great. And so these are the colors for the first palette that I got. I really like this iridescent one. You can see that it's almost gone. But when I got this palette, I got all excited and I put a bunch of it on myself at once to test it out, not even really being serious about it. And he came home and he's like, well, now you look like a fish. So because of this palette made me look like a fish. But now there's a look, and this is the look I'm gonna do for you today. There's a look that every time I do it, he says, well, now you look like a bird eating a fish. So I'm gonna do bird eating a fish for you today. I don't usually do my makeup in this bathroom. I usually do it in the downstairs bathroom. So we'll see how uncomfortable this is for me. Maybe I should stand up. I don't know. I usually stand up. Maybe I could get my eye real close to the camera if I stood up. I don't know. So first thing to do is put some dark stuff. I like this one here because it's kind of shimmery too. Purple with shimmer. Who needs eyeliner? Just put a little bit on your lash line. It'll work out. Is it enough? Maybe put some more. This is to enhance your eyelashes. Okay. Then we're going to, the reason I like this look so much is because I am a really big fan of the colors yellow and pink together, and I always have been. When I was a little girl, I had my dad paint my bike yellow and pink together. And he said, that doesn't go. And I said, what do you mean it doesn't go? My favorite colors together. So we're going to put some sparkly pink right over the dark. So it doesn't even matter that it's dark, because it's just going to be sparkly pink now. I'll show you this one. Right over it, a little bit above it too, into the back. Avoid the front. But we're trying to put enough for it to be sparkly and pink. A little bit in the back corner. Back corner. Okay. Then I'm going to take this light pink. Lovely light pink. And we're going to fade this on the edge up to your eyebrow. Who cares if it's up to your eyebrow, because it's just light pink. It's so light, doesn't matter. You can even bring it out to your over here to fade out any kind of fallout you have from the bright pink. Take the light pink and put it all the way over here. Maybe over here too. A little bit under there too. Okay, now that's all the pink we're going to do. Now this is where I'm getting the pink, is from the fishy stuff. This one has got all the yellows in it. It's got a bright yellow and it's got a light yellow. So first we're going to clean our finger. We want light yellow in our inner corner. Sometimes it's hard to get your finger in there. We could use a brush. It's a little too light, isn't it? Okay, do the other side. All right. I don't like that it's below my eye. I have other plans for that area. All right. Now we're going to do the bright yellow. Just a little spot of it right here. We'll use the brush, why not? It's fading right away. I don't like that. I want it to be bright. Usually if you want something to be bright, don't touch it very much. But then it's not going to be faded around, and I like it to be faded around too. All right. Okay. Now, I want to put a little gold for sparkle's sake. Right here. A little bit of sparkle. This gold right here. Yeah, right between the pink and the gold. Pink and the yellow, there's a gold. That's what we want. That's looking nice and sparkly. All right, now our finishing touch, we're going to use a new finger, is this lovely iridescent stuff that I can't get enough of. We're going to put that right in the corner. And up a little bit here too. Now, I also want to put some of it over here for a highlight, kind of. All right, now, it's looking pretty good in the mirror. I don't know how I like it in the camera view. I feel like it's not bright enough yellow. We can always try again. Okay. Bird eating a fish. Now, we need to clean our fingers. Now, how is our highlight doing? I think it's okay. Now, I'm going to close these back up. They're so cute. This one has dragons on it. And this one has jellyfish on it. They're from Question Beauty. I really like them. I have gotten a bunch of things from Question Beauty, including these mascaras. I've gotten a bunch of them. This one's yellow. This one's pink. Pink would be good with this look. But my favorite to do with this look is aqua. Everybody's favorite part of the video. I think I'm running out of this. I think I've used it up. I've got some on me. I'm not happy. I feel like this is used up. Let me see if I can use pink on the other side. Maybe you can see it better. I don't think it's used up. I got myself right in the eye the other day. All right. So that's my look. What's this? I've got some highlighter here. All right. Well, it's been 16 minutes. I don't know if you can even see my mascara. Oh, I guess you can. If I look in the mirror, I can see it. I've got a little bit of mascara on myself here. So, bird eating a fish. I'm going out to do the best thing I ever do in my life, which is get my nails done. I'm getting my nails done today. These are my nails right now. I think they're pretty cute. They have little hearts because it's just Valentine's Day. But now it's not Valentine's Day anymore. And I just got new nail stickers. So I'm going to do my new nail stickers. And I think I'm going to do blue tips. I think I'm going to do blue tips and blue nail stickers with gold. That's my plan. Then I'm going to go out to dinner with my sister. And it's going to be wonderful. So thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, thanks. So have a nice day. Bye.